The Scheduler section of the scheduling module allows you to create, review, and remove employee schedules. Admin users can easily create each employee's schedule for any date and time. Creating employee schedules. Log in to the admin portal. Click on Scheduler under the Time menu item. Click on any date you would like to create a schedule for, and a new pop-up will appear. Input all required fields. Select which employee to create a schedule for from a list of current employees. Select which account to create this schedule for from a list of all accounts. This list will only be populated with accounts the employee is associated with. Once a job site is selected, a new pop-up will appear asking if the admin would like to utilize a shift template. Set the title of the schedule. If a shift template is used, the title, start time, end time, and notes section will be filled. Set the start time of the schedule. Set the end time of the schedule. Select the repeat shift option to enable the repeat every and ending options for repeating shifts. Set the frequency of when this schedule repeats, such as every day or every week. Set the end date that this schedule repeats until. The Show Availability button will display the employee's availability for the selected dates. The Notes section is an optional field where you can provide notes for this schedule. Select the Save as Shift Template option if you would like to save this shift as a new shift template for later use. Pressing the Save button will create the schedule and send a notification to the employee if there are no scheduling conflicts. You may receive a warning notification that indicates that the employee has set unavailability for the selected time, or the employee has approved time off. You can review unavailability or time off requests details by clicking the Show Conflicts button. It will display two tabs that will list the unavailability or time off requests, depending on the selected tab. You can cancel the save process, or press Ignore and Save, to continue to save the new schedule for the employee. Unavailability warning will only appear if the availability notice check is enabled from the Super Admin panel. This will be covered in more detail in another video. Creating open shifts. Log in to the admin portal. Click on Scheduler under the Time menu item. Click on any date you would like to create an open shift for, and a new pop-up will appear. Input all required fields. Select Unassigned under the Assign to option to create the open shift. Select which account to create this shift for, from a list of all accounts. Once a job site is selected, a new pop-up will appear asking if the admin would like to utilize a shift template. Set the title of the shift. If a shift template is used, the title, start time, and end time will be auto-filled. Set the start time of the shift. Set the end time of the shift. Select the Repeat Shift option to enable the repeat every and ending options for repeating shifts. Set the frequency of when the shift repeats, such as every day or every week. Set the end date that this shift repeats until. The Notes section is an optional field where you can provide notes for this shift. Click the Save button to create the open shift. The open shift will now appear in the scheduler calendar. You can view only open shifts by selecting the Show button in the top right corner. Your officers also have the ability to view open shifts that they are approved for from the Destiny mobile app and Destiny Hybrid. To view open shifts, log in to the Destiny mobile app or Destiny Web Hybrid and select Time from the main menu. Select Open Shifts. Here your officer can view what shifts are open. If your officer would like to work that shift, they can request that shift by selecting the Request button. Pressing this button would send an email to the email address associated with scheduling alert notifications in the admin portal. Copy schedules. To copy a specific schedule to another available date, simply hold the Control button on your keyboard and click on the shift you would like to copy. Then click on the date you would like to copy the schedule to. Release the Control button, and the shift will be copied to the new selected date. To copy multiple schedules, select the Copy button in the top right. Select the Start Copy Date, the End Copy Date, the specific account, and the new schedule start date. Select if you would either like to avoid discrepancies or overwrite them. Avoiding discrepancies copies any shift regardless of discrepancy into the Open Shift section. Overwriting discrepancies replaces any shifts that have discrepancies with the new schedule. When you are finished inputting the information, click Confirm. The copied schedules will then appear in the calendar. Schedule notifications. In the event of a shift change for a confirmed shift, the system will automatically send an email to the officer it is assigned to. If you would like to send a notification to your officers with pending shifts, alter the calendar view to display all of the shifts you would like to send notifications for. Then, select Notify Employees under the Option button. A pop-up will appear. The pop-up will ask if you would like to send the notification to all pending shifts for the currently selected daily, weekly or monthly view. If you select Yes, the email that is sent for new schedules will be sent for all schedules currently in the selected view. If you select No, the pop-up will disappear. Managing employee schedules. Log in to the admin portal. In the left navigation menu, click Time, then click Scheduler. All schedules, pending and confirmed, will be displayed on the calendar. Moving your cursor over the cards within each date displays brief details for that schedule. The details displayed are: schedule title, employee name, account name, schedule status. If you would like to edit the schedule, simply click on the schedule card. Delete schedules. To delete a schedule, simply click on the schedule to see its details and select the Delete button at the bottom left. When deleting a repeated shift, another pop-up will appear, asking if you would like to delete one or all instances of this repeated shift. Filtering schedules. On the top header of the scheduling calendar, you may select from 4 different filters: Status, Officer, District, and Account. Switching calendar view. You can change the calendar view from either account or employee, and all shifts or unassigned shifts. By selecting one of the following 3 buttons, you can change the view of how many schedules are displayed. Either monthly, weekly, or daily. Selecting Week View will allow you to see the total hours scheduled for each day and the total for the week. Selecting Day View will allow you to see the total hour schedules for a specific day. Schedule statuses. When a new schedule is created and assigned to an employee, it is automatically set to the pending status. This status is to inform the admin that the schedule has been assigned. However, the employee has not verified or confirmed that they are going to make that shift. The employee would confirm this schedule in Destiny mobile app. This will be explained in another video. Schedule status confirmed. When an employee indicates to the admin that they have confirmed or verified the schedule is shifted to the confirmed status. This status is to inform the admin that the schedule has been assigned to an employee, and that employee has confirmed they will be working that schedule. Schedule status rejected. When an employee indicates to the admin that they have rejected the schedule is shifted to the rejected status. This status is to inform the admin that the schedule has been rejected by the employee, and that employee is not able to work that schedule. If you have any questions, please contact us at 888-342-4833.